Good day, everybody. I greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. And the Lord speaks to us out of Zechariah 4 verse 10. Who with reason despises the day of small things. For these 7 shall rejoice when they see the plummet in the hand of Zerubbabel. These 7 are the eyes of the Lord, which run to and fro throughout the whole earth. And what the Lord speaks to us through the night is, a lot of times we despising the small beginnings. We don't get the understanding. We feel unworthy. We feel rejected, a person of no influence, if we look at our small beginnings. But these small beginnings are so important. Remember, in everything you do, there needs to be a seed. And the seed is a small thing before it becomes a huge tree. A foundation is a small thing comparing to the big building, the multi-story building or the house that's going to build, if you look at it in the natural. But the Lord comes to us and look at your beginnings now. Look at your life now. Are you treasuring the honor and the privilege that God has given you a beginning? He's given you a seed to work with, that you can build on it, then you can grow it, that you can multiply it, and that it can fill the earth. And everything of God, how small it ever looks, you need to work with it, because that can only enlarge, or they can only grow exponentially if you take that what the Lord has given you and you treasure it, you work with it, and you come to the realization it doesn't matter what the capacity of it is or how big it is from God. That is the main thing. It is from God, and everything that is from God is a blessing, and everything from God is eternal. And that little thing can multiply, can grow into an extravagant place or thing that will glorify Jesus Christ. Let's change our attitudes with the small things. Let's take it with passion. Let's receive it as a gift from God, and let's make it a testimony of the goodness and the greatness of God. I bless you.